Now I'll explain the reception of BPSK scheme. So you can see operation of the receiver. First one is phase shift. So as I told you before, phase shift is like whatever we have calculated by 180 degree radians. So S of t was B of t was plus 1 minus 1 depending on whatever digit is it transmitting. Then 2 of root p, like root of 2p, cosine of 2 of f naught of t plus theta. Let this be equation number 7. Then according to the square law, so you are squaring it, it is like cosine square 2 pi f naught of t plus theta. We will neglect the amplitude, we will not think about the amplitude. So we all know cos square of theta is equal to 1 plus cosine of 2 theta over 2. Now you can make it like this: cosine square 2 pi f naught of t plus theta is equal to 1 plus cosine 2 pi f naught t plus theta divided by 2. So this can be written as 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. We can say half is a representation of DC level. So you can write it like this. This was a square law. Now we will go for third one, band pass filter. So it is a signal passed through a band pass filter. So in that it is centered around 2f naught. So band pass filter, what it is doing, it is removing the DC level of half, and the output will be cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. Signal has a frequency of 2 f naught. Now we have a frequency divider. Fourth one, the above signal, the band pass filter signal is passed through it, and there is a output frequency. We get it, for example, cosine of 2 pi f naught of t plus theta. Then we have a synchronous detector, fifth one, synchronous demodulator. What it is doing, it is here it is a synchronous means coherent. Coherent means something logical. So it demodulate, multiplies the input signal and recover the carrier. So what it is doing here, B of t root 2p cosine 2 pi f naught of t plus theta into cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. It will give you B of t root 2p cosine of square 2 pi f naught t plus theta. Further it will give you B of t root 2 pi into, like further before we have calculated 1 plus cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. This will further give B of t root p over 2 1 plus cosine of 2 pi f naught t plus theta. Let this be equation number 8. Then we have bit synchronizer and a integrator. So, we will go it further.